How to buy TikTok coins with credit card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can buy TikTok coins with credit card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Here, there is an option as balance, tap on it. Once you land on this page, you will see your coins in this page. Now to get coins with the credit card, tap on get coins option. Now you'll be taken into this page where you can buy coin. So from here, you have to select the amount of coin that you want to buy. Under that coins, there is an amount written as well. So according to your preferences or according to your need, you can tap on any one of that and then tap on recharge. Now it will ask you to enter your credit or your debit card. So tap on edit, add credit or debit card, then provide your card details. Make sure you have provided the correct card details, and once you have entered your card details, you will be able to buy the TikTok coins with your credit card balance. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.